Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about the data types in C Sharp. Before starting our tutorial, I want you, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to give us a like and share with your friends. As you know, there are lots of data types in C Sharp, which some of them are like string, integer, decimal numbers, and something like this. But I want to tell you that this is just a very brief introduction to these data types, and so. If you want more details about these data types, just watch our future videos that I'm gonna explain all of them in details, and you can understand and use them in better ways and in more advanced ways. But this video is very short and it's complete introduction to data types.
The very first and useful variable is integer. If you have a number and it is an integer, okay, we will use int. It is for integer numbers, and then we write a name or whatever it is, doesn't matter, and then we write a number. It is not a decimal number. I will talk about them later. 40. Then we write semicolon. Okay, we have now variable named age, which is integer, and we can easily print it with the command console.write. If I write age here, and let's start it. Okay, as you can see, we have 40 in our. The second variable is our decimal numbers. We have three decimal number in C Sharp, which are float, double, and decimal. Uh, if you want to have very specific decimal number, you have to use decimal. But if you the float is a bit it is not that precise as double, but it is a decimal number. But in our tutorials, I will mostly use double, so it is something between float. It has a good approximation. It has a good precise. So they are all the same, but some of them the decimal is more precise and float is a bit less. Okay, let's write I know double, then we write a name I know. Whatever it is great. For example, it is 15.23. Then we write semicolon. Then let's write console. Let's write okay, and then let's print it. As you can see, this at the decimal number it has been written. So let me write you command that for decimal numbers, we can use float, we can use double as we did, and we can use decimal. The second one is strings. Okay, if we have a variable, I know it can be name, whatever it is. We want to have a word, not a number. It is a word. Okay, for these kind of data, we use a string. A string, for example, name. Then I write universe. There is a mistake here. If okay, that I didn't write it. When you want to write a string, you have to use quotation. Okay. Only for single string. let's print it. There it is. Then let's see. The third one is written in reverse. So the fourth one is characters. If you have a character, okay, it's not a word, it's just a letter, and if you want, I don't know, it can be A, B, C, D, whatever it is, it's a character here. Sometimes we need characters, and how we can write it? We write char, then we write I know. What can I write? We can write a name for it. It can be letter, doesn't matter what it is. Then we write single quotation. Can we write A, then semicolon. Sorry. Then we write like this. Dot 29 dot letter semicolon. Okay, let's print it. Okay, we have now A here. The last variable that I'm going to teach you is Boolean numbers. Sometimes we have a comment that the answer is true or false. Okay, in that case, okay, we have a loop, and we want to see that the answer is we want to continue this loop or not. If the answer is yes or true, okay, we can continue it. In those situations, we can use Boolean number. They are so useful. So how we can use them? How we can create Boolean number? I don't want to talk about how we can use them. So Boolean number, what it can be is ready, for example, whatever it is. Then we can write true, semicolon. Then we have right. You have to have some command to use this boolean number that because we don't have a specific program here, it is not useful to use a boolean. You cannot use it here because it is not very useful. So in previous, I'm sorry, in next videos that I'm gonna upload in future, you can find how we can use Boolean numbers which are more advanced, much more advanced. It's not advanced video, but it is much more specified and detailed videos. Okay, if this video was helpful for you and you find it helpful, you can like the video. It will be a good help for me. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.